Hey everyone, welcome to Anchors and Adventures. I'm Kelly, and today we're going to dive into cruise essentials. Essentially, what to pack. What do I pack for a cruise? Whether you are an experienced cruiser or maybe you're going on a cruise for the first time, I'm going to give you 5 of my top things that I think are important to pack for a cruise, just to make yourself feel comfortable, feel organized. So hopefully you will also find that these items are essentials as well. So let's get into it. The first item that I feel is really important to pack are magnets. And you might say, magnets. Yes, magnets. Most cabins have metal walls. So you're able to place these magnets all over the walls and the back of doors and really hang anything. We use them to hang pretty much everything. Sweaters, lanyards, baseball hats, wet bathing suits, towels, just anything that you need that you want to get up off the floor and have another spot for. You want to make sure that if you're going to buy magnets from Amazon, I'm going to put something in here for you to take a look at. Make sure that they're the 100-pound ones. They're going to be the ones that you can hang and then hang like a wet bathing suit off of, and it's not going to, fall down the wall on you. So 100 pounds, I'll link that here for you. Magnets, they're amazing. Second is going to be an over-the-door shoe holder. It might sound weird. You're probably saying, I'm not bringing almost too many shoes. No, I bring like 2 pairs of shoes, and I don't even use the shoe holder to put my shoes in. We use the shoe holder to put all of our other stuff in. I know folks that they travel a lot and they travel on a lot of cruises, and they keep this rolled up and they keep it stocked all the time. And what they use it for is all their toiletries. So like their pharmacy, right? So if you want to bring your aspirin or your Advil, or your Tums or your sunscreen, what have you, you can keep it all very organized and kind of out of the way and put it on the back of the door. Really, you can use it for anything. You can use it for shoes too. I've seen people use it to put, kids' clothes in for the days. They use it for anything. So it really is great, again, just to have another place just to put things, to be a little bit organized. So that's why we like it too. So we put it behind the door and put all of our toiletries in it and then anything else that we just want to hang up and kind of get out of the way. Most cabins will come with their own shampoo, body wash kind of in the room already. If you're like me, I use a ton of conditioner in my hair. I would just bring your own, right? Bring your own shampoo, bring your own conditioner, especially a day that you're out. You might have some salt and sea in your hair and sand, and you want to get it. Bring your own shampoo and conditioner. Another thing to kind of go on with that you might want to bring from home, something that's really important, is make sure you bring enough sunscreen. You don't want to be stuck having to buy sunscreen on the ship. So that's a big thing. Bring enough sunscreen. Probably bring more than what you think you're going to need, because you definitely don't want to run out. You don't want to have to go into port and buy something or buy on the ship, because it's going to be really expensive. And that goes to say with all of the other kind of toiletries. So aspirins, Tums, they have them on the ship. They're super expensive though. So make sure that you're bringing all of those things from home, again, to make yourself comfortable. If you know that you're going to need something, you want to bring more than what you think you're going to need. So the last thing that you may want to bring with you is Wrinkle Release spray. If you're like me, I don't get dressed up. I don't do the gala nights. I don't do that kind of stuff. However, I do like to look neat, right? So all cruises, you are not going to be able to bring a steamer or an iron. Those are big no-nos. They will be confiscated. So really your other option is to bring some Wrinkle Release spray. And it works wonders, right? So you hang stuff up, you spray it. You could even spray it and keep it in the bathroom when you take a shower with the steam. So it does work. So they sell them in travel sizes. You can get that. You can buy them on Amazon. I'll link something here for you. But yeah, it works wonders. So if you're someone that just wants to be able just to kind of look neat, put together, you're not going to be able to use an iron. You're not going to be able to use a steamer. Do not bring those with you. They will get taken. Bring the Wrinkle Release spray. It works wonders and people swear by it. So, those are my 5 things. Short and sweet, easy to get, easy to pack, but those are my kind of go-tos, so that we have a relaxing and enjoyable cruise. So if you want to hear more tips, tricks, be sure to like the video, comment below on maybe some things that you feel are really important when going on the cruise, some of the things that you do not leave home without. I'd love to hear how everybody else packs and what everybody else brings. So leave that in the comments and be sure to like and subscribe. And I will see you on the next adventure. Thanks so much.